We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button, tell me that you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig Vinco Ventures. It continues to push forward, right? We're going to break down the key levels today because it's consolidating, but it's still higher than the recent lows. Now, not only was Bbig pushing to try to go higher, but also the SPY, guys. The SPY actually pulled downwards, brought itself upwards. And if I put it here on the 5-minute and I pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, you will see how much volatility there was today and how our SPY bot since yesterday at 6 p.m. sent out a bear notification, and towards the bell, things fell downwards. You could see it there popping up, how things were looking. And then we got a bull indicator as well. And you could see how puts in just a matter of 30 minutes went up nearly 100% plus. And the bull indicator popped up shortly after. And those went up 50% to 100% towards their highest points today of the peak of the chart, guys. So plenty of opportunities out there within the volatility. Now we're going to go ahead and talk about Bbig. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if that's something that interests you and you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for these opportunities no matter which direction the stock market is going. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. And we're going to jump right into it here with Bbig, what I think about it moving forward, and where Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators are standing, what 42 Vision is showing, and what we need to look at moving forward, because today the stock certainly tested certain levels that will be important going into the rest of this week. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave jumps of 5 to 10% and 10% plus on the one that turned out to be a home run, which was SRRA. Now let's go ahead and pull up the chart here. And this was phenomenal. We caught it under a bull indicator after it pulled back in the pre-market, starting to pick up some steam, consolidated, and it started to take off to a highest point of nearly 10 to 20% in the pre-market. Consolidated, got that bear indicator, pulled back, and in just a matter of minutes, literally about 5 to 7 minutes, it took off and gave a highest point since we mentioned it of 25% plus, and within that run, a 10 to 15% jump. Now that wasn't the only opportunity this stock gave. As it pulled downwards in the next few hours, it gave a second opportunity after the pullback. It dipped and it took off again for a highest point of 20% plus. And collectively between both opportunities, it gave a total possibility of 45% plus, guys. If you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig Vinco Ventures Inc. and Bbig stock continues to struggle to hold up. But when you look at it from hitting these recent lows and reversing, it has shown some strength. So we're going to talk about the key levels I'm watching, what 42 Vision is showing, and Ultimate 42 Vision is showing the bull and bear indicators as well. Now 42 Vision right here at this point is an extreme weakness, right? It's reversed from that, and we've seen some strength happen, but the only part of strength we have not seen is the full transition from dark green to green. So things have not gone as strong as they can, or there just isn't enough strength to get there right now, right? But there has been a move. I mean, the stock has nearly moved from these lows down here to the top up here, nearly a total amount of almost 40 to 50%. So this is where when things are in extreme weakness, like you could see right here, white with red borders, there tends to be reversals of 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%, and sometimes even 20% plus. And you could see it based off the history of the chart. The last time we saw extreme weakness was way back here before things got started, and you could see how much strength within that recent squeeze that happen. And a lot of people are saying the squeeze is not done yet. And that wasn't even part of it. There's so much more to it, right? That's what everybody is experiencing or wanting to experience. And the thing is that we saw the data together plenty of times, how many times shorts covered and how many times the available short shares went from zero to several hundred thousand to millions, back to zero. And you could just see how many times they have gone in and out of their positions. Now, let me pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well to receive the clarity you deserve to navigate through the volatility within the markets, to maximize on opportunities, no matter which direction the stocks are going, guys. Check out the link down below to the 42 Vision indicators in the description box down below in the video, or even the top pinned comment can get you over to it. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And you'll receive access to the daily and weekly watch list as well with the premium indicators. So the last bull indicator was pretty strong. Went from way down here at 230s all the way up to 580, 590s. And then this bear indicator has been pretty strong from 580, from 590s all the way down back to the 250s, right? Close to the 230s. So we just got a bull indicator yesterday, slight pullback here to the 280s, and things took off to a high here of 333, okay? Pretty strong move, right? Nearly almost a 10 to 20% move. Things consolidated and they're pulling back again. So what really matters here is if the 4 hour is bringing itself back up with it or if it's going down. Well, based off the pre-market and daily action today, it looked like things were reversing, right? This would have been a strong sign. And I've stated that right now we're under a bear indicator since way up here at the 460s. And I'm going to be watching if a bull indicator pops up here. If it doesn't negate this. And this bear indicator, no matter what volatility is going on, continues to hold strong and can continue to put pressure on the chart. Well, it slightly moved up and now it's going back down. And we have here a bar with a wick pointing downwards. Actually, that circle missed right there, pointing downwards. So that means that things, instead of going up, are all of a sudden reversing right back down on the 4 hour. So things are looking weak here, not coming with enough strength. And the 30-minute is showing the same thing, pulling back here. So what are the key levels I will be watching? Well, 330 will be important, guys, up here. Okay, 330 will be important, but most important will be up here at 440s and even right here at the 390 mark, which is just $4, guys. $4 needs to be broken through to build some type of support and get this one going higher. So $4 will be significant, then 440. Now to the downside, the first support level I'm watching is down here at 282. If that gets broken through, I will watch how things react within that area between where it's at now and down here at 282. If it breaks, then the next point is the lowest point of 253. See what's going on between those two areas. And if 253 gets broken through, then the next support level would be down here at around 234, guys. 233, give or take. And if you just want to round that down to 230, you're more than welcome to. But those are the key levels to the downside and upside. We are under a bull indicator here on the 30-minute. But if I put the 15-minute, you could see things are a little bit more volatile. And we're under a bear indicator today. So if it gets negated tomorrow with a bull indicator, it could have some more strength and continue this staircase effect that it's forming, because yesterday bear indicator popped up, got negated, bull indicator popped up, and we're getting that staircase effect if it could continue into tomorrow, break through 330 and go towards $4 and then 440 and so forth. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.